Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another unboxing time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something from Exotic Nudes, and I believe soon you'll see them on shop.theramenraider.com. What are they? Well, we'll have to crack them open and see what's inside. Rad. Okay, so you know I do the spicy noodle mukbang and stuff like that, but did you know that existed here in the US now? This is the sauce. This is the spicy Buldak sauce, and you can get it now. Not only that, hold on to your butts. I think this is going to be super good. This is the carbo. I mean, think about things like, what if you made like wings with this stuff? Or, I don't know, barbecued some chicken that was just like gassed in this stuff, you know? These are spicy and they're really good. And I can't wait to start experimenting with them because I think there's going to be some things I'm going to have to try making. Yeah, I really think that the carbo one might lend itself well to just put some with some chicken and bake it for a little bit and put it with some noodles. I don't know, but we'll see. But I know I love my favorite of all the ones they've come out with, I believe, is the carbo. That tomato, new tomato, is really good too. I have a feeling I know there's more of these sauces. As far as I know, they're more like the 2X. Probably is going to be a 3X one that comes out. I don't know about corn, but yeah, they'll probably end up having the other ones come this way. And when they do, I'll let you know, and then you can try them. But yeah, Exotic Nudes, thank you for shooting these over. And yeah, if you didn't know, shop.theramenraider.com is your one-stop shop for getting instant noodle stuff. If you like stuff and you like noodles, go to shop.theramenraider.com. And actually, shop.theramenraider.com is mostly maintained by Exotic Nudes. I've been doing unboxing for them for eons, and they're like, hey, should we have like do you have a Shopify store? I'm like, I think so. So there is one. So it's pretty cool. You should check it out. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.